Hello beautiful people, my name is Angeline D'Souza. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. Since this is my first video and you surely read the title, I am going to recreate Kylie Jenner's look. Also, it's one of my signature look as well and I love this look. So if you want to know more about it, then please do watch the video till the end. Also, before starting, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon, since it's going to motivate me more to create more videos and amazing content as my new journey begins in YouTube. So yeah, let's begin. So to begin with, I'm going to use this peach milk from Lakme, which is a perfect moisturizer for combination skin type. I'm going to use it in circular motions and also apply it on my neck as well. Going to let it settle for a few minutes, and I'm going ahead with the Blue Heaven primer, which is a mattifying primer. I'm going to apply it on my porous areas, which is the cheeks, forehead and chin. After this, I'm going to use a facial oil from Lakme. I'm going to use it on the outer layers of my face because it tends to get dry and this oil will retain the moisture in it. Next, moving on to the brows, going to use this Anastasia Beverly brow pomade in the shade dark brown. I'm going to do small strokes. This product is highly pigmented and I love it. It's very creamy and really easy to make strokes. I'm going to do the same small strokes on the other brow as well. I'm going to brush it out with a spoolie. Use a concealer of your shade or any lighter shade to define your brows, and also you can prime your eyes with that. I'm going to do it on the top as well. Please note I have already set it with our setting powder. Next, we are going to color correct our skin. For that, we are going to use the NyBae color corrector in the shade orange. Start color correcting all your pigmentation, dark spots or any sort of imperfection tones that you have on your skin and blend it out with a blender. Now I'm going to cover the color corrector with the concealer of my shade, that is 50 Café from Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I am not blending it out with a blender because I'm going to blend it out directly with the foundation. So I'm lightly blending it with the brush instead. Next, I'm going to use my current favorite foundation, which is from Faces Canada, which is Second Skin Foundation in the shade Warm Sand. It's a lovely foundation for combination or dry skin type. I'm going to spread it out with a brush and then blend it out with a blender. Never forget to apply your foundation on the neck as well. It's very important, otherwise you look like a joker. You can take your own sweet time over here, there's no rush. The more time you give on your blending, the flawless your base. So after this, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me highlighting concealer in the shade 25. I'm going to highlight the important areas of my face, which is the under eyes, forehead, nose and chin. And also I'm going to do it around the mouth to give the lift effect. Do wait for 2-3 minutes before blending. By the time, I'm going to use this palette from Sugar Cosmetics, which is a contour, blush and highlight. I'm going to use the warm shade of contour to contour my areas and to give it a structure. Going to keep it very simple. That's why I'm not going to use a cream contour to give the heavy effect. Just going to do it with the powder contour. Now let's blend the concealer. Take your time in blending this concealer. for utmost coverage. It is very important, that's why we have left it for a few minutes so that we can get the most out of it. Now I'm going to bake the concealer with a banana powder from Ben Nye. I am baking because I tend to get really sweaty and oily after a few hours. So if you are a dry skin family, please do not bake. You can instead spot set it with a brush. I am going to let this sit for a few seconds now. So I have used a banana powder because it suits my skin type and skin tone. If you are a fair family, please use a translucent powder or any tone loose powder of your tone. Now I'm going to add some color on my face using this beautiful blush. I'm going to use on the high points of my cheeks just to give the lifted effect on the forehead, on the nose and on the chin. You guys need to try this trick. So use your highlighter with a blender. Trust me, it gives the best results than a brush. I have recently started doing this and it always gave me the best results. So please try doing this and let me know how it works for you. So as you can see, I've highlighted the high points of my face. Now moving on to the eyes. I'm going to use this lovely palette from Revolution, which is called Reloaded Division. I'm going to put all the product details in the description below so y'all can check it out. So I've taken the dark brown shade and I'm going to go on the crease area and outwards, blending it in circular motions. Next, I'm going to take this peach and mix of yellow to give the perfect transition. Gonna blend the brown in circular motions again. Now I'm gonna fake a crease with this pale ivory cream shade. As you can see, I'm just doing it roughly. There's no perfection in the crease and I'm gonna blend out with the same brush that I was blending the brown tones. Also, I'm going to use the same brown tone on the under eyes. Coming to my most favorite part, the eyeliner. I'm going to use the Eyeconic eyeliner from Lakme. This is the perfect waterproof liner for that perfect wing. As you can see, it was just so easy for me to get that perfect wing. And also, please note, I have not gone all the way through the inner corner while doing my eyeliner and have stopped halfway through my lid. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to use this Body Shop lip liner in the shade Mocha. It is a perfect dark brown lip liner, perfect for dusky skin tone girls like me. I'm going to overline a bit on the top and the bottom of my lips and I'm going to color it through. Today I'm going to use this Maybelline Sensational lipstick in the shade Nuance. It's a perfect nude lip shade for dusky tones again. I'm going to make it an ombre effect right in the center. Next I'm going to use this beautiful lip shade from Sugar Cosmetics and give a pink tint to my lips like Kylie's. Gonna tap small amount of it on my lips just to give that tint. Going to finish my lashes and mascara off camera and I'll be back. So here it is guys, this beautiful look. You can wear this any time of the day, a day look, a night look, call it whatever you want. I love it. I hope you like it too, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and please follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for patiently watching. I hope to see you on my next video. Until then, bye.